Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is Kevin with Hooked on Vets, and you are tuning into part 2 of our installation video of the ZLR doors from Vertical Doors Inc. on America, my C6 Corvette. Now, in part 1 of the video, and if you haven't checked it out, check it out right here, and then come on back and check this video out when you're done. And during that part 1 video, we kind of walked through what the ZLR doors are. We got the Corvette over to Northeast Customs to see Abe and Roland and the folks over there. Great folks. Check them out if you're in South Texas or San Antonio area. But in that video, we got the doors on the Corvette, but had a little bit of issue with the fitment. One of the big things we had a problem with was the door striker not fitting into the door catch. And so apparently they've got that worked out. I got a call this morning from Abe that the car is ready. Excited to get over there and show you guys. So come on over with me and let's go check out the reveal of the ZLR doors on the C6 Corvette. All right, here we are back at Northeast Customs. Gonna head here to the back. Ooh, snap. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. How was your getaway with your kid?
It was good. Yeah, it was good. Man, I forgot how pretty she looked. All right, guys, so we have picked up the C6 Corvette from Northeast Customs. The doors are installed. We're ready for the reveal. I really like you guys to comment below. Let me know what you think about these doors. I really like them. There's a couple things that I have a little bit of an issue with, but I'm going to get to those things in another video. But for now, I just want to focus on how these doors look aesthetically. Really liked how they turned out. So without waiting another second, here we go, the reveal of the ZLR butterfly doors on the C6 Corvette. All right, guys, they're just finishing up some of the paint work. But here's the finish. So we got the main shock here, which makes it real easy to open and shut the door. Obviously, you gotta have that in order to hold the door open. But basically, what we did was we cut the boot here in half and just ran some wire conduit so the door electronic wires can run from the vehicle into the door like it normally would. Just kind of cleaned it up. Super easy to open and close. Nice fitment. And just with one hand, there you go. In the first video, part 1 video, we had issues with the door striker coming down and fitting properly into the door catch, and it looks like they've got that pretty well worked out now. Shuts nice. Dude, what's going on, brother? How are you?
Good, good.
It's good to see you. Merry Christmas.
Wife's gonna say.
I don't know yet. I don't know what she's gonna say. It's not her car though.
That's what I
So I ended up going online and I bought this little thing that plugs into the data port, and you just click the button on your remote and all the windows come down.
Oh.
Yeah, so it makes it easier to get in and out. Yeah.
He's gonna come here and
Yeah. No, I know. That was kind of one of the things they talked about with the windows, but just gotta be careful.
You seen Bad Boy Vets?
Dang.
Yeah, they get down.
Yeah. The manta ray. Yeah. Like a stingray. Wow. That's really cool. This is sick. Just check out down here. Yep, that's what you call train horns. Yeah, that'll get someone to back off you real quick.
Oh, yeah.
I thought I stepped on a rock or I got a rock in my shoe, and I'm sitting there walking around. I take my shoe off to find it. I can't find it, but look at this shit. Dang, if that was any longer, I'd have a new hole in my foot. All right, guys, so we know it is Christmas time, and you know from all my old videos and stuff that Abe and his guys over here at Northeast Customs have always taken care of me in this vet, so we got a little something for Abe. Merry Christmas, brother, and thank you for everything. You can open it now, or you can wait, I don't care. But it'd be fun for the video if you open it now. But got this for you and got it custom engraved. It just slides out, yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow. Check that out. Hi, San Antonio.
There you go, man.
Appreciate that, man.
Absolutely, brother. Thank
Very
you
nice
for all
of
you do, man.
Yeah, man, of course.
We love bringing her over here to you guys and getting good content. And what you got here is a 2008 C6 LS3 running with Texas Speed long tube headers. He's got a about the largest cam you can put in that thing without having to get a new torque converter on an automatic. It's got a full exhaust on it. Sounds pretty damn sweet. This is what happens when a Ford tries to race a Corvette, loses traction, and goes bump. So this Shelby's got supercharger with pulleys, full exhaust. Trying to keep up with the base C6. Didn't fare so well for the Shelby. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video of the installation of the ZLR doors on the C6 Corvette. Really appreciate you guys coming by and taking a look at part 2 of this video. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe today to Hooked on Vets. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the doors on this C6 Vet, the ZLR doors installed today. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and again, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to Hooked on Vets today.